Hi, this is Ajay Anand and welcome to Science Classes from excelup.com. In this lesson, you will learn about roots. You will learn about the basic types of roots, then you will learn about different regions of root, and you will learn about the modification of root. This lesson has been taken from class 11th biology. What is root? Root is the part of a plant which grows below the ground, and root provides anchorage to the plant. Then it absorbs water and mineral from soil to supply to different parts of the plants. Now, root originates from the radicle of seed. Radicle is a part of plant embryo, and elongation of radicle, it produces the root, and that root is called primary root. Okay. So now these primary roots, they can persist in a plant or they may be replaced by another kind of roots. Based on this factor, there are two types of roots. One is called taproot and another is called fibrous root. In case of taproot, the primary root persists for the lifetime of the plant. So there is a primary root and there are many lateral roots. So there can be many divisions at different levels. So there can be secondary roots, tertiary roots, and so on. And taproot system, it is found in dicot plants. Okay. In case of monocot plants, the primary root is short-lived and it is replaced by fibrous roots. So in case of fibrous roots, there are numerous roots coming out of the base of the plant, and there is no branching like in case of taproot system. Okay. So fibrous roots, they are found in monocot plants. If you will root out a grass or say a plant of onion or garlic, you can easily observe fibrous roots. You will find at the base of an onion, you will find numerous roots coming out from the base. There is a third type that is called adventitious root. When a root grows from parts other than the radicle, they are called adventitious roots. So they can grow from the nodes of a stem, they can grow from the margins of leaves as in case of bryophyllum, and these serve many purposes like maybe support or vegetative propagation. They also provide anchorage to different parts of plants. Now let us understand about regions of root. There are three regions in a root. The top one is called the region of maturation, and it is followed by a region of elongation, and the tip of the root has a region of meristematic activity. In fact, the tip of the root is covered by root cap, which protects the underlying cells from harsh substances which may be present in soil. And just above the root cap is the meristematic zone. The meristem means tissues in which cells have the capability of cell division. The cells in meristematic region, they are small, they have thin wall, and they have dense protoplasm, and they continuously undergo cell division, and this brings out growth in root. Then comes the region of elongation. In case of region of elongation, the cells undergo rapid elongation, which results in longitudinal growth of roots. And the third one is region of maturation, where the cells or the tissues, they have undergone differentiation, they have become specialized, and in this case, the cells of the epidermis, they have root hairs as shown in this structure. So these are the three regions: the region of maturation, region of elongation, region of meristematic activity. This is root cap and these are root hairs. modifications of roots. Apart from its normal function of providing anchorage and absorbing water and minerals, roots undergo modifications to serve some special purpose in different plants. So, here are some examples. These are prop roots. They grow in some large trees. For example, in case of banyan tree or peepal tree, many rope-like structures, they grow from the branches of the tree, and subsequently these structures, they enter the ground. So, once they enter the ground, they provide additional support, additional mechanical support to the large structure of the tree. Okay. Then there is another example of modification for support, and these are called stilt roots. In case of a maize plant or a sugar cane plant, some roots, they grow from the nodes which are just above the ground, and these roots, they grow and they enter the soil, and that is how they provide mechanical support to the plant. So, these are called stilt roots. In some plants which grow in marshy areas, what happens, because of water logging, air does not reach the cells of the roots. So, roots, they cannot breathe. In order to facilitate breathing, some vertical structures, they jut out from the ground, and these are parts of roots. They are hollow from inside and they have a pore at the top, an opening at the top, and because of this opening, these roots, they can breathe in air. So, this is an example of this is a figure of plant Rhizophora, which is found in the mangrove forests. For example, in the Sundarban Delta, we can see examples of plants with pneumatophores. Then certain roots, they undergo modification because of storage of food. You must have eaten many modified roots, for example, turnip, then beet, carrot, radish, all of them, they are modified roots, and they are swollen because they have food stored in them. Okay. That's all for this lesson. Thank you.